All right, here we go with the April 17th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I am meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Before we delve into the weather forecast, I wanted to give you the information for the Guilford-Rockingham County tornado back on Sunday afternoon. It had a maximum intensity of EF2, a very high-end EF2, 135 mile per hour winds. That's the upper threshold before it kicks over to EF3 intensity. Maximum path width about a quarter mile. And this thing was on the ground for a while, 33.6 miles. The tornado was continuously on the ground from Guilford County up into Rockingham County. Worst damage there, the EF2 damage right around the Hampton community. And the tornado finally lifted up around the Ruffin community in Rockingham County. There's a look at the Dowd YMCA camera this morning. Clear, crisp, mid-April morning. Temperature 34. There's the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Look at that. That is the Beech Mountain Parkway cam. A snow-covered scene down below. And how about 14 for the temperature right now, high atop Beech Mountain? That's cold stuff. No doubt about that. All right. We do have frost advisories this morning for the Piedmont, down to the northern upstate, some mountain areas under freeze warnings. Definitely a cold start. Temperatures in the 30s. These are 5 a.m. hour temperatures early this morning. A lot of Piedmont spots in the 30s, even Columbia at 36. Definitely chilly. You factor the wind in with our temperatures. 9, the wind chill in Boone. It's 28 in Greensboro as I cut the video. 36, the early day wind chill in Myrtle Beach, Wilmington. It is a cold start to the day. All right. Quiet on the radar and the satellite, just a few clouds in northern North Carolina. Those will fade away. A little bit of light rain around the Delmarva Peninsula heading out into the Atlantic Ocean, and then some snow showers around parts of the Great Lakes region. But overall, it's pretty quiet over most of the eastern part of the country, and it's going to stay that way overall in many, many spots. There's the next area of low pressure moving from the Rockies into the plains, and notice the footprint of precipitation with this one stays pretty far north. So places like Omaha, Des Moines, Chicago, maybe Detroit getting some snow out of this as we get later into the day tomorrow. But we will stay rain-free and snow-free here in the Carolinas. Looking quiet across the region today. Now, as that high pressure in the Gulf kind of eases toward the Bahamas, we get into more of a southwesterly flow, so some warmer temperatures. 50s yesterday afternoon in the Piedmont. Is going to be 60s today. It will still be breezy, though. Winds could gust 25, 30-plus miles per hour, but it will be warmer than yesterday, and then not nearly as cold tonight as what we've had this morning. Tomorrow, really, really warm as we await the arrival of that next cold front, so we get a really warm Wednesday. Highs tomorrow afternoon look like that across the region. Big temperature turnaround from the really chilly stuff yesterday and this morning. Behind the front, a little bit of a cool down. We slipped back into, I think, a rather extended period of at least slightly below average temperatures late this week and into next week. More on that in a second, but there's your Thursday high temperatures. Looking like that, and even a little bit cooler than for Friday. Friday looks good, though. Sunshine. I think plenty of sunshine for Saturday. Maybe some clouds Sunday, but I've removed any opportunity for rain from the Sunday forecast. And really, right now, the rain chances look fairly small Monday and Tuesday. There'll be a cutoff low scenario. Let me show you that. We'll go to the upper levels here. Here we are today. And this is the next piece of energy back in the plain. Oh, here we go. I'll get over here. There's the next piece of energy back in the plain states. We get out to Thursday. There's your trough diving that next cold front through here. And then as we get into the weekend, this is Sunday on the European model, little piece of cutoff energy along the Gulf Coast. And a lot of the trend in the modeling is for this to stay more suppressed. And so the GFS gets some rain into South Carolina and western and southern North Carolina by Monday and Tuesday. But European kind of keeps it suppressed off to the south, and so does the Canadian in most spots. So I've really lowered the rain chances right now for Monday and Tuesday. Temperature-wise, all right, so this is Sunday. These are 5,000-foot deviation from normals. That's a pretty cool look overall. We go out to Tuesday of next week. The cool pattern continues. Thursday of next week, that's still a cool look, and even all the way out at Tuesday, the 1st of May. That's still a pretty cool look. Nothing brutal here, but you notice the trend here. This is the GFS ensemble. The trend is for some below average temperatures until we get toward maybe the change of the month. And the European ensemble, these are numbers for Charlotte. And keep in mind the average highs in the 70s in the Piedmont this time of year. So we're looking at a lot of below average temperatures until maybe the tail end of the month and certainly into early May. But the next week or two could feature a lot of below average temperatures. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.